Morning students, you are most welcome to the language class. Hope you all are well and you are doing well. So we are starting our new chapter, that is main verb and helping verbs. Here are some examples I am reading for you. Number 1, I dance, children jump, bees buzz, I read. In the next column, in the B column, you say I am dancing, children are jumping, bees were buzzing, I was reading. Now, in two pairs of sentences, you can see that dance is the main verb. The main work is dance, isn't it? I dance, I am dancing. Children jump, children are jumping. So, jump, dance, buzz, read, these are the main verbs. That means that shows actually the work done by the subject, what the subject is doing. But now notice that I am dancing. Children are jumping. Bees were buzzing. I was reading. So here am, are, were, was, all these things are helping the main verb. They are going with the main verb and it is helping the main verb to show the time when it is happening. See, I am dancing. That means I am dancing now. Children are jumping. Children are jumping. That is also showing now, at present. Bees were buzzing. Were buzzing means that it was done. Work was done before. I was reading. I was reading means in the morning I was reading. Now I am not reading. So helping verbs helps us to know the time. It gives the information about the main verb. Okay. These are called the helping verbs. Main verbs have the main responsibility of creating meaning for sentences, and helping verbs have different types of responsibilities. Like they help the main verbs, they shows the time, they shows us the time. See, we play football every day. This is a routine. That means every day they goes to play. Next is I work on my science project. That means whenever science project is coming, the boy or the girl is working on it. Marcus helps his mother in the kitchen. Often he helps in his mother. And then I plant 2 trees every year. Okay? That means every year, that is a routine. That became a routine of them. Next, see this one. We are playing football now. So now, at present, I am working on my science project. Am is showing the now. Marcus is helping his mother in the kitchen. I am planting a tree. All these things, am, is, are, these are showing that now it is going on. That means it is the present time. It is showing the present time. Okay. So main verbs are play, work, help and plant. And here are, am, is, am are the auxiliary verb or the helping verb. Okay. So helping verbs above describe the present time. The action in the sentence is in the present time. Next we are coming to the point 3. See, I was playing cricket last Sunday. That means it was played. My friends were playing with me. I was very happy that day. They were going for a picnic. So was and were, this helps to know it describes the past time. The action in the sentence took place in the past time. Okay. So main verb tells us about an action. Helping verbs let us know to know the time of that action. That means it is in present or past. And without the helping verb, the sentences will be meaningless. So what is verb? Verb are words that show something happening or doing or exists. Okay. Verb are of 2 types. That is main verb or action verb, auxiliary verb or helping verb. The main verb tells us about the action Main verb is also called action verbs that I have described before. Main or action verbs, a verb that expresses a physical action such as jumping, laughing, playing, going, coming, many more are there, and mental action also included with that. That is thinking, think, dream, like this. And auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs are called helping verbs because they may be said to help the main verb which comes after them. One thing always remember that auxiliary verb will be put before the main verb. The helping verb lets us know the time of the action, the present or past. That means it is happening now or it has happened before. For example, the boy is playing cricket. The auxiliary verb is helps the main verb playing by specifying that the action denote is still in progress. That means now also he is playing. Next, I have given a chart. See, there are a number of helping verbs. I don't know why it is not working. So, it is divided into families like be family, have family, do family, or do verb, be verb, have verb, can verb, shall verb, and will verb. So, present times am, is, are. Be, being, these are from the be family. This is showing the present time. Next was the was, were, been, that is past tense. These are from the be family. Have family have has and have for the present time and had for the past time. Do family do does, present time shows the present time and did shows the past time. Can family, can verb, can and could. Can means present time, could past. Shall present, should past. Will present, would past. And here is an example that how we will, why the helping verbs are very important for us. See, I a student. Is this giving any meaning? No. Delhi, the capital of India. How it is? It is also not giving the clear meaning. She will, she ill, she what? Now see, I am a student. Yes, this is giving a clear meaning. Delhi is the capital of India. So, and she was ill. That means am and is showing that I am a student. That means still I am a student. It is telling about you. You are still student. Delhi is the capital of India. So is showing the present time. She was ill. So was is showing the past time. Okay. Next we are coming that be verb. Okay. The verb be. See, I goes with I am, we are. These are showing the present time. We will write always we are, you are, he, she, it is, and they are. So this chart you have to learn where we are using what in present tense, in past tense, and I have given the future tense. It is not in your book now, but after some time you have to read. So I have given it in advance only. So do verbs also I do, we do, you do, he, she, it does. That means when the third person singular number will be there, they will be does. Okay. And the verb have, I have, we have, you have, he, she, it has, and they have. Here he, she, it has. When there will be names also we will write has. Rita has. Ram has. The book has. Okay, like this. And this one you will do in book, page number 64, 65. In 64 you have to, at first you have to take out the verbs, main verbs, then the auxiliary verbs. The next is in page number 65. It is showing that you have to read the sentence and you have to write is it in present tense or past tense. Do by yourself. Read the sentences. Next, page number 66 is there. You have to put the appropriate helping verb over there. Okay, so do it. I have also, these are the answers over here, page number 67. See here, a chart is given, only chart I have given. You have to read the sentences and you have to put the in the correct blank or chart. That means we were in the park. So we is the noun or pronoun. We is the pronoun here. Linking verb was where, and description in the park. Okay, charts are very important to learn because you have to learn it and write it in the copy, because after some time you will forget and these documents will be, you will not find. So many documents are coming now. So write the charts, these charts, this one. The be verb is over here. Okay, so this one, the be verb chart, do verb chart and have verb chart, you have to write in the copy and you have to learn it also, because if you will, once you will learn, it will be very very good for you, you will never forget. Okay, so read this chart. This chart is very important, this one also. That's that family, divisions of family, and the chart where we are using what. Okay, so till the next class, have a nice time and read. Okay, don't waste your time.